Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a casing of this Toyota rav4 key fob. As you can see, the the key snapped into two pieces. Okay, it's a fairly easy process. I managed to get a new casing from eBay for £5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be moving all the mechanism from the old key to the new one. So I'm just gonna force it open like this. Just going to remove the screw off the blade to remove the broken plastic piece. Right, here we have the new key fob casing. It comes with the pad, the button pad, as well as the buttons. I'm not going to bother with that because this existing mechanism is perfectly fine. So just gonna move that over to the new one. That's that in place. And now I'm gonna, this plastic piece here, just gonna slide the blade in from here like that. That will sit in like this, just like that. And now I'm gonna screw the casing with this one single screw. There you go, that's the new casing fitted in no time. And just to let you know that this actual key is from Toyota rav4, but all the Toyota key fobs will be same in that age and year of the car. So Toyota Yaris, Corolla, rav4, Avensis, all of them, they have the same keys. Thank you very much for watching the video.